Hello, good morning to all my fans out there. Good morning to my family. I want to tell you all a very big thank you for your support in my videos, for sharing and liking. And I also want to show you the new tripod stand I got at Onitsha Main Market. And I'm making a video unboxing it to show you guys how it looks. And I'll be telling you everything about this tripod, even the amount I bought it and where I bought it. So stay cool and watch till the end of this video. Okay, let me start by telling you where I got this tripod. I bought it at Onitsha Main Market in electronics by Express Road, not the one at Opiweka, the one at Express Road. They have two electronics market in Onitsha. Maybe there may be more than two, but I don't know those ones. It's only two I know. So I got it for 25,000 naira at Agility Electronic Shop. It's not that cost. It's a very good tripod stand. It's very long and strong. In fact, when I saw it, I was thinking it's not going to be that long because it's still at the box. It looks short, but when I unboxed it, I was very happy to see it that long. The tripod also have a hand holder that you can use to carry it around. Yes, and you can even bend the leg together, join the leg together to move it around, to rotate it. So right now I'll be fixing the phone holder for the tripod, but this particular phone holder is not the one that came with this tripod stand. Actually, the one that's supposed to come with this tripod stand, I made an order for that one, so that will be arriving soon. This one is for my old tripod stand. I just fix it to this one so I can show you how it works. Now I'm about to put my phone to show you how it works. Okay, now the tripod can even move round and go 360 anyhow you want to move it. Then you can actually bend it down or up, so it's a very good tripod. You can also fix your camera there where you fix your phone holder if you have a camera, but me, I am not using camera, I'm using phone. So I didn't only get tripod, I also got mic. I bought this mic at that same Onitsha. I bought it for 21,000 naira. This K8 wireless mic, I got it at Onitsha market at Agility Electronic Shop, where I got the tripod, I got the mic. So this is the Android mount, and the mic itself come with a Type-C mount, and there's supposed to be iPhone mount there. I don't know why it's not inside the pack. Maybe they removed it, I don't know. You know, Onitsha people, those people are thieves. So this is where the cord is for charging the mic. But to be honest, this mic is cost, like it's very cost. I see where people advertise it for 18,000 naira online, but I'm surprised when I get to the market I bought it for 21,000 naira. And this is the manual where they tell you how everything works. So in a short time I'll be talking without the mic to show you how my voice is, and I'll be connecting the mic, then you see how it works. Then this is the mic pack. The back is really strong. Then this is the power button for the mic where you on it. I'm on the mic right now to show you, and that is the peg. So I just on the mic and I'll be connecting it to my phone, and I'll be pegging the mic to my shirt. You can actually peg the mic anywhere in your body because it came with a peg. So I'll be testing the mic now to show you how it works. Let's go there. Okay guys, I'm going to be testing this mic now, but this place is a little bit noisy. In fact, it's very noisy, so that you can see how this mic works. This is K8 mic. I'm not using mic right now. I'm not using the mic right now. This is just my voice without mic. So I'll be connecting the mic now to show you how it works in a noisy area. Okay guys, I'm connected to the mic right now. As you can see, this is my voice with the mic. So tell me how it is. This place is noisy, like I'm close to the main road and everywhere is noisy. Cars are passing by and there's a welder shop behind. So tell me how it is. Is it a good mic? Oh man, this mic is really amazing. Like that place was really noisy, very very noisy, and when I connected it to my phone and I make that video, and when I watched it and I saw that the mic just filtered all the noise. Whoa, K8 wireless mic is a good mic. I've tested K9 before and actually I don't like it, but I prefer K8 more than K9. When I went to go and buy this mic, they gave me K9 at the first place, but when I brought it home, it was not working, so I have to take it back for them to change it. But this K8, like, I really love it. K9 is 2 in 1. It used to come with two wireless mic, but K8 is just one mic. Thank you for watching. That is the end of my video. Subscribe, like, share to your friends, and if you want to get a stand or a mic, you don't know where to get it, send me a DM and I'll direct you. Thank you all. I love you there. Mwah.